In this video, I want to show you how to delete fields of attribute table in SAGA GIS. So let me open SAGA GIS. This is SAGA GIS and I have a layer here called towns. For one reason or the other, you may want to delete a field in attribute table of your data. So let me display this data for you to see. Just double click and it will load it at the viewer interface. So I have this list of towns and let me verify the attributes. If I want to open the attribute table, just right click the layer, then come to attributes and click on show table. So you can see the attributes of this data in the attribute table. This attribute table have a lot of fields, and as you can see it, if I want to delete any of these fields for one reason or the other, so this is how to do it. To delete the field, right click at the top of any of the field, just like this. Then here you will see delete field. Then you will click on it. So it will open this table. So and show you the list of the field in the attribute table. So let's, for example, I want to delete this field called FC and NT. So I will scroll down here and see the field here, FC and NT. So what I will do is to check it to select the field I want to delete. So once I check the two I want to delete, you will then click on OK. So immediately you click on OK, you can see that that two field selected has been deleted. So you can see that it's very easy and simple. This is how to delete field in the attribute table of any data in SAGA GIS. Thank you for watching.